problem. A cantilever beam having square cross section. So it is a square cross section of side alpha is subjected to an end load. If alpha is increased by 19%, the tip deflection decreases approximately. This is the questions. So 4 options. So first is the cantilever beam. So end load, it is a square section. So side is alpha and alpha. Side is alpha. So L is the length of the beam. Okay. In this deflection is the point A, is the point B. Deflection at point B. Okay. Deflection at point B. So standard equation is W L cube divided by 3 EI. So on shortcut, cantilever beam, simply supported beam, uniformly varying load. Condition is 1/2, 1/3, 1/4. Okay. W L square divided by EI. Okay. So multiply, this is the slope. Okay. Slope at B is W L square divided by 2 EI. So next multiply, so we can get this one, multiply this one, we can get W. So here small uniformly distributed, so small w divided by 6 EI. So multiply with this one, we can get W L cube divided by 24 EI. Okay. This is a slope. In deflection, okay, in deflection multiply with 2/3 L into corresponding theta. Okay. So 2/3 is, so W L cube divided by 3I. So next is, this one is multiply with 1/3 completed, 1/3, so 3 by 1/3, so 3/4 L into theta. So this one also 1/4 completed, so 4/5 into 4/5 L into theta. So this is the shortcut. So YB here YB equal to WL cube divided by 3I. So problem is alpha is increased by 19%. So Y, so this is a square cross section. So relationship is only I. Okay. So now this is constant, this is constant. So Y is, okay, YB are directly proportional to 1 by I. So YB equal direct proportional to 1 divided by I is P D cube divided by 12. So side is alpha, so alpha power 4 divided by 12. Okay, so here y1 equal to 1 divided by alpha 1 power 4. Okay, y2 equal to 1 divided by alpha 2 power 4. Okay, so y2 by y1 equal to, okay, alpha 1 power 4 divided by alpha 2 power 4. So alpha 1 is alpha 1 power 4. So alpha 2 is increased to 19%. So this alpha 1 power 4 is 100%. So increase 19% means 1.19 alpha 1 power 4. So alpha 1 divided by, so 1.19 power 4 is 2.005 alpha 1. So alpha 1 cancel, so equal to 0.49. Okay, so here y2 equal to 0.49% of 49 of y1. So y2 equal to 49% of y1. Okay, y2 equal to 49% of y1. So here answer is nearly, so 50. Okay, answer is 50. It is shortcut. Okay, so cantilever beam at end point load, so one, so WL square by VA is multiplied with 1 by 2. So you can get the answer of WL square by 2I. So W, this one is multiplied with 1 by 3. So you get the answer of this one. So here is WL square. This is a capital W, this small w. Okay, this uniform distributed, then only put WL cube. So 1 by WL cube with 6I is multiplied with 1 by 4. So get the answer of WL cube divided by 24 EI. In this, so 1 by 2 is completed, so 2 by 3, starting with 2 by 3L into theta b. So WL cube 3I. So 1 by 3 is completed, so here started 3 by 4L into theta b. So 1 by 4, so 4 by L into theta b. Okay, that's not cut. Thank you.